Hey, what's up? Yeah.
Dapat makita ni Sir Willie yung pagkakamali. Fuck, man. Every motherfucker has to fuck up the measurement. Supposed to be 32, man. You know what happened? It's fucking 38. You know, I don't know if they fucking with me.
Video.
How am I gonna close that fucking thing? I cannot close that fucking
Door.
door on the bathroom. 6 inches mistake is a fucking big mistake. 6 inches is like 6 million. Know what I mean? 6 inches mistakes is 6 million. That's how big it is. Fucking people not thinking. Monkey, King Kong, gorilla. They got their own shit. They got their own mind. They don't fucking listen.
Ito yung pinapano na to.
Yeah, that's Danny Lee. You make sure everything's correct here.
No.
You know?
We, not me.
We know. Alright. Now, bring it back in. We gotta fix up the packed up thing before I start throwing shit. You know, 6 inches is 6 million. That's it. We can't afford to lose that. Small things make big things. It's the same old plastic. Mistake is a mistake. We packed up, we'll do it again. I love you all.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Where's the nice spot? Here. I love this spot, guy. If you call this spot the fucking spot. You know the fucking spot means? Fucking spot. Here. How good pack is this? Look everything. Look. Everything on here, all the things all the things here is a quality. From the furniture, from the room, from the buildings. This is the one expensive condo in the Fort, man. This Cylindra. You know Cylindra means? Look, outside. Outside. Good thing. Nice. Nice room. If you have nice room, nice bed, you have nice chicks. Nice beds.
Have to write. Always have to write. Always have to write. What's wrong and what's right. What's wrong and what's right. On the table. Do that shit. Always right. So put it on your mind. Don't take me as a job. Take me seriously. You know that? I only gotta come here.
Yeah.
So let's get it serious. So we have beautiful things. I love beautiful things. See how beautiful it is? That's how it is. That's how we run. LPC. Look at that. You gotta paint that room. Got the salad. You got the painting. Look at this painting.
Flower.
Flower. The flower is the power. And I wanna smell that flower of yours. Worldwide. Worldwide. You know Benny Blanco?
How good looks that?
You know Benny Blanco from the Bronx? Jose Briones in Cuba. You got down like that. Worldwide.
Look. How good is
Love all the ladies. Flower is the power. I will kiss you all over if I can do it again.
all things here, just quality.
Quality, very important.
Beautiful things, beautiful beats.
Happiness is the key to beautifulness. Now you start your day with a smile and a flower, but fuck, somebody fucked it up again. Now we wait for our architect Willie Riquestas to fix this thing. Look at the aircon, man. That's a fine song. That's some serious money. See that? One,
Two.
We have one in the kitchen too. You know,
Yeah.
everything is centralized. This is 20 million Selenium. That's serious money.
The expensive condo here.
Yeah, it is. 20 million. Go outside, there's a pool, man. You go outside, there's a fucking things like pool spa, massage.
Okay.
And that's it. Calandra, peace. I love you. Let's check it out.
That's what I call quality thing. You know, quality thing.
Look at that blue and white. That's it. That's the furniture. That's the furniture. That's the furniture, man. Everything is from antiques.